Do you know signage products will also be updated and irritated? We have introduced our company's neon light products to you before. Today, I'll introduce you the LED flexible neon lights from the perspective of product upgrade. What's up, homie? I'm Tony from LCSIGN. What's the difference between neon signs? In the past, most neon lights were glass neon lights. By evacuating and then inject different gases, they can produce different colors when powered. However, glass neon lights are particularly easy to break due to their special material. Therefore, the emergence of flexible neon lights solve this pain point. LED flexible neon lights are composed of acrylic panels, LED light strips, and flexible silicone or PVC light strips. According to the design patent and content, stick the light strips and flexible silicone straps of different colors on the acrylic panel, and the perfect neon sign is completed. Compared with previous neon light products, they're more durable, less prone to wear and tear, applicable to a wide range of scenarios, and more ornamental. Do you interested in this perfect neon sign? Choosing LCSIGN to get your first neon sign and follow us for more.